those lands that will set up these STPs as per the direction of NGT.
Director General of Police LR Bishnoi. Hini kasngi uloong ba Tnat Pulit kala Shim ya kilat ki Lynti Halor ka Jingshah Kynthoh ha ki Iingbishar High Court. Ha ka day bat ka Jingshah keno shalan be an ya udoyong. Habakran bekilat patay kubor Bishnoi uloong ba kalong ka ba ban petlut ha barok ki benta jong ka jala na ka daw jong ka jingduna jong ki bor Pulit. Katkum ka jingsngau ka jong ki Pulit ki persang kat bala ban pet ya ki surok ki badon ka jingla ban shalan be an yu doyong. Hakmat jong ka ain bat ka hukum DGP ulaong. Ba ka jinglong jingman jong ka ain ka kanun kalong ka ban suk san bat shu ulaong ba kilayo ya ka jing ya lang na ki pat ba. Ula benrap ba ki kampentrim kimpat duna kum taw la Kynthoh ya ki Pulit ba kinlong ki blakre habadan kinu ki jing hadin habut.
Taking charge of different departments. A leader is.
Now we are going as per the Honorable High Court orders. Wherever the mistakes are pointed out, we are trying to plug the loopholes. But again, the area is so much and the police strength is not proportionately adequate to dominate each and every inch of the land of the states. So sometimes, through the jungle routes, etc., some may indulge in transportations of illegal coal, etc. So for that also, we are trying to dominate it by the patrollings. So by and large, it's under control now.